The Tesla Powerwall 3 not turning on can stem from a few common issues. Don't panic, this video will guide you through troubleshooting steps. Most not turning on problems are software glitches, 60% of cases, not hardware failures. We'll cover status lights, breakers, and reset procedures to get your Powerwall back online. Proper installation by certified technicians significantly reduces these risks, so be sure yours was done correctly. We will be addressing the most common issues from version 2025.1 and up. The Powerwall 3's front panel LEDs provide crucial information about its status. A solid green light means normal operation. Flashing green indicates the system is charging or discharging. Yellow signifies warnings, such as a low battery level. Red signals critical errors, like overvoltage. No light at all means the unit is in complete shutdown. For more accurate diagnosis, check the Tesla app for specific error codes. Examples include PWER1 for communication failure and PWER010 for a tripped breaker. Most app-related issues stem from software glitches rather than hardware problems. The internal breaker protects the Powerwall 3 from overloads and may trip during power surges. If you suspect a tripped breaker, check it first before other troubleshooting steps. The Powerwall 3 has an auto reconnect feature that can restore power after a breaker trip. However, manual resets may still be necessary in some cases. Always ensure your system is compatible with your local grid. For safety reasons, avoid any DIY modifications to the Powerwall 3, as they void the warranty and can be dangerous. The system complies with UL standards, so tampering is strongly discouraged. If the Powerwall 3 isn't responding, start with a power cycle. Disconnect the unit from the grid, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect to allow the system to reset completely. For a soft reset, open the Tesla app and navigate to Settings, then Powerwall, and select Reset. This performs a software restart without affecting hardware. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Locate the Reset button on the Powerwall unit and hold it for 10 seconds until the lights indicate a reset. Always check for firmware updates via the Tesla app, as outdated software versions caused many initial failures. Tesla releases updates frequently, so ensure your Powerwall is up to date. Let's look at some real-world examples of Powerwall 3 problems and their solutions. During the 2024 California wildfires, a Powerwall 3 installation in Sonoma County stayed operational despite grid blackouts, powering a home for 72 hours. The system automatically isolated from the grid to prevent fire risks, and a firmware glitch was resolved via the app. In Florida, a homeowner experienced a Powerwall 3 failure after a storm due to a firmware conflict, indicated by red status lights. Tesla's remote diagnostics identified the issue, and a forced update combined with a breaker reset resolved it in under an hour. In New York City, a building's Powerwall 3 tripped its breaker during peak loads, causing a full system lockout. The problem stemmed from improper wiring. After professional recalibration and a hard reset, it functioned normally. This illustrates that most failures are due to installation errors. These examples highlight the critical importance of correct installations, app connectivity, and the unit's ability to isolate from the grid in emergencies like fires. Experts from organizations like the International Energy Agency praise Powerwall 3's scalability, noting it reduces household reliance on fossil fuels by 25% in solar-integrated homes. Tesla's Q3 2025 earnings show 1.2 million Powerwall units sold globally, including all models. However, critics argue that initial failure rates of 8% in first-year installations highlight a need for better user education. Forum data from Reddit's r/Tesla Powerwall indicates 65% of not turning on issues are app-related and can be resolved by resets, while only 15% require hardware swaps. Overall, uptime statistics average 99.5% after fixes, positioning Powerwall 3 as a leader in resilient energy storage. Keep your Powerwall 3 running smoothly by ensuring regular firmware updates. These updates often include critical bug fixes and performance improvements, such as reducing outage rates by 40%. Check the Tesla app frequently for new releases. Additionally, monitor your energy usage to avoid overloading the system. Tesla's AI optimizations improve efficiency by 15%, helping prevent issues. Pay attention to any warning signs or unusual behavior and address them promptly. Tesla's predictive maintenance alerts users to potential failures. Consider periodic professional inspections to ensure everything is functioning properly. The future of energy storage is bright. Tesla is integrating Powerwall 3 into broader ecosystems like Megapack for community grids. AI optimizations have improved efficiency by 15%. Tesla aims for 100% recyclable components by 2030. Rising energy costs and grid instability are driving demand, projected to grow the global energy storage market to $100 billion by 2030. Keep an eye on regulatory developments and competition from other manufacturers. The ongoing trend is towards smarter, more resilient home energy storage solutions.